Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mushroom cappuccino soup. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a creamy, flavorful result perfect for any occasion. We'll start by selecting the best ingredients, then move on to preparing them to unlock their full potential. Get ready to impress your taste buds with this elegant and simple recipe. First, let's get our ingredients ready. Thoroughly clean your mushrooms and slice them evenly. Next, finely chop your shallot and garlic. These will provide a wonderful aromatic base. Have your vegetable broth and heavy cream measured out, along with a tablespoon of olive oil. Precision in prep makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation. Imagine listening to your favorite cooking playlist or asking for ingredient substitutions hands-free with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for any kitchen. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's build that incredible flavor. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a pot over medium heat, then add your chopped shallots and garlic, cooking until they are fragrant. Toss in the mushrooms and let them cook down, releasing their liquids and developing a beautiful color. A quick deglaze with a little broth will capture all those delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Once your mushroom mixture is cooked, carefully transfer it to a blender with the remaining vegetable broth. Blend until it's perfectly smooth and velvety. Pour the soup back into your pot, then stir in the heavy cream. Gently warm it through, being careful not to boil, and season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Almost ready to serve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.